is Mrs. Spitz, and welcome to math class. And today I'm going to talk about exponents, and that might be a review for you. But let's also mention that they are called powers of numbers, right? Those little exponents give the number, the base, its power. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have 3 to the second power, but we could also call that 3 squared, right? So there's 2 ways of reading that. 3 to the second power or 3 squared. I'm just going to write it out here so you can see that, right? In this example, 3 is actually the base, and 2 we call the exponent. So we would take 3 squared, which equals 3 times itself, which equals 9, right? Again, this is the base, the 3. These are called the factors. Remember, factors make up a product, and 9 is the product. Okay, so I'll give you a second to write that down, but I'm going to show you something here. When we take a square of something, let's say I'm taking 3 squared. If you look at this, this is what it would look like, right? I'm taking 3 times itself 3 times. So we have a 3 square. It's actually considered 2-dimensional, and that answer is 9, okay? But if I move up to 1 more power, let's say I'm going to do 4 to the 3rd power. Well, that means I have 4 on my length, 4 on my width, and 4 as a height, which really goes quite large exponentially. That's 4 times 4 times 4. And if I had this filled up, because this is a solid, but right now I've just made a paper one to show you, there would be 64 cubes in there. So you can see when a number is squared, it's a flat 2-dimensional figure. When it's cubed, it turns into a 3-dimensional figure, and that extra power actually lends it into become a solid and many pieces. All right? So I'm going to review this. I'm going to erase this part. And let's take 2 cubed. All right, we can also say that's 2 to the 3rd power. So its factors, we're going to call these the factors, are 2 times 2 times 2, and that answer is 8. So let's write some of this nomenclature down. We have factors here. Factors make up products, right? This is the product. And in exponents, with exponents, it's also called, you might see this word standard or this phrase form, right? That's something to know. 8 would be the standard form. So let's do another one. Let's do 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, so your factors, 5 times 5. Your product is 25, and that's also called the standard form of 5 squared, all right? Okay, we'll do a little classwork here. Let's take 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. And I want you to write that exponentially. So your base is 8. You have it 4 times. So it's to the 4th power, right? Let's have 1 times 1 times 1. All right, your base is 1. It's taken 3 times to the 3rd power, or 1 cubed, right? And down here, we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Count those up. you have 3 to the 5th power. All right. And let's see if we can have a little bit more room over here. I'll do 4. I'm gonna have 9. What power is that to? Huh, trick question. It's an invisible one there. So any number always has that invisible exponent. It just says it's itself, it equals itself, right? So don't be tricked by that. All right, and then let's do this fun one. I like this. 10 to the 5th power. Oh my gosh. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Well, a quick way is just count our, we know we have 5 zeros there, right? So just put 5 zeros here, and then work over your families, right? You have a simple family, and into the 1,000 family, you have 100,000 there. Okay, so hope this explained a little bit about exponents and your factors, products, powers of numbers, standard form, a little bit of nomenclature that you can take from this lesson. All right, have a great day. See you again. Bye-bye.